This is a video about how well my customized Ryobi 2.5 amp 9-inch bandsaw works with my milling jig. Really impressed with how the two of them work together. Cutting very accurately and durable. It all started when I bought this Ryobi bandsaw on the as-is table. The idea was to make a bandsaw that could cut larger lumber, and I needed a good frame. Like this bandsaw came with a square frame, which is perfect for trying to line things up. So after cutting it in half, right below the switch or the upper wheel cabinet, I added this angle bar. Lining up the edges was so easy with the square tube of the bandsaw, and bolted it together. By adding this extension, it gave me extra 10 inches and gave me a 13.5-inch cutting height. And when I finally finished my milling jig, it worked so well with the bandsaw because I had put a track on the cutting table. With this setup, I'm able to cut at least a 4-foot log. And with this setup, with my milling jig, I'm able to cut down to quite a thin piece of lumber left on the jig. Really happy with it.